Learn English with your Instill.
May I know your name?
My name is Jack.
Do you know Joanne?
Yes, she is my good friend.
Do you speak English?
Yes, but little bit.
Where did you learn from?
I learned from school.
How long did it take?
It took 6 months.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What's your favorite color?
I love blue.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning.
What's your favorite season?
I prefer fall.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What's your favorite movie?
I really like Inception.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love novels.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy painting.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love exploring new places.
What's your favorite music genre?
I like rock.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
What's your dream vacation?
I'd love to go to Japan.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite book?
I love 1984.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, it's so relaxing.
What's your favorite animal?
I love dolphins.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite snack?
I love chips.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I love the snow.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you play video games?
Yes, occasionally.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy soccer.
Do you like to hike?
Yes, I love nature trails.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy Breaking Bad.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love mint chocolate chip.
Do you like going to concerts?
Yes, they're amazing.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it peaceful.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like to read.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Playing in the park.
Do you prefer morning or night?
I'm a night owl.
What's your favorite kind of weather?
I love sunny days.
Do you like puzzles?
Yes, I enjoy them.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I love Italian places.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, it's refreshing.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you enjoy cooking new recipes?
Yes, it's fun to experiment.
What's your favorite app?
I like Spotify.
Do you prefer reading or watching movies?
I prefer reading.
What's your favorite thing to do on weekends?
I love to relax and catch up on shows.
Do you like camping?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your favorite song right now?
I love Blinding Lights.
Thanks for watching. Do like the video, share this to your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.